how to turn off sensitive content setting on X. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to turn off sensitive content setting in X. So simply without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open the application itself. Then here on the top left corner you can see your profile icon, simply click onto it. Then here click on setting and support. Now here go to settings and privacy. Now here click on privacy and safety. Here click on content you see. Now here click on sensitive media. Here you can see 3 different types of topics. Simply select the topic in which you want to turn off the sensitive content settings. Simply click onto it. Let's say that I want to turn off in graphic violence, so simply click onto it. Then here simply click on never show this. After that it will be turned off. And the same step goes for the rest of the all. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.